Hello guys, so I'll be sharing with you some of the things I usually take for my breakfast, and today we start with the indomie noodles types. So I'll just take you around. So the ingredient consists of 1 indomie, 2 eggs. You can use as many eggs as you like. Then the spices, and the spices I normally use, this is coriander powder, then curry and garlic powder. This is the main ingredient I use for all of my cookings. So now I'm putting it all in the eggs I've already smashed up. So now after then I'm going to parboil my indomie. This is how I parboil it. Then after parboiling it, now I'm just mixing everything, the ingredients I put inside the egg. After then I'll get a bowl and I'll put on my indomie inside. Then I'll pour that mixture of the egg and other things inside the indomie, and I'll mix it up. I'll mix everything so well to make sure that the egg is already at something. Then now you heat your oil on the frying pan, and you pour your indomie inside. After pouring your indomie inside, make sure you spray it out. So you make sure you spray it out so that it can be evenly distributed. So this is how you turn it. You make sure you put it in a place so that you maintain the shape. So you turn it and you cook the other side. And I'm telling you, if you try it, you can't even finish one. I couldn't finish one. I know you don't want to miss this. You have to try it at home. So my elder sister got admission at Open University to pursue her degree program. So I woke up early in the morning, cook some food, do the dishes, and I chose a cloth. That's the main cloth I wanted to wear, but I chose something else afterward. That's my junior sister, and that's my elder sister there, Usaina. We went there like let's say around 11 a.m. and the program had already started, so we were not able to snap much pictures, and we snapped picture afterward. It was a very fun day. I had so much fun, and it was seriously a memorable day. I like it when me and my family get together. I first attended a classmate wedding, a secondary school classmate wedding, Zarau. It was fun, because most of my classmates were there. It was like a reunion. Then afterward, I attended my husband's cousin's wedding. Was at work and I got hungry, so I started to check out opposite plaza where they say shawarma. The name of the plaza is Ojis, and the shawarma is good. Hello everyone, good evening. So as you can hear, music is just going out there. So today is one of my neighbor's junior sister wedding, and is in our compound. So I helped with some things. I came back, I did night shift yesterday, so I came back this morning, saw them do some of the things, so I helped. So now we are done and they are busy celebrating outside, although I joined earlier and I danced. So now I'm done. Basically I don't have anything to do now. I just want to now start preparing for my next shift, because in the next 1 hour I'm supposed to leave my house. So inshallah I'll dress up now and I'll be off to work.